This ChatGPT video is a small crash course for any beginner. I will show you how to use ChatGPT and practical, hands-on real-life examples with great prompts. In order to access ChatGPT, visit chat.openai.com. After signing up with your preferred method, you will be ready to start using it. ChatGPT offers a conversational user interface. And in the chat, you can refer to things you discussed before or just revise input or outputs thanks to its memory. On the left side of the screen, you can see your previous conversations and visit them anytime you want. Recently, OpenAI added Stop Generating button to chat screen. This helps when you realize output from ChatGPT is not what you expected. And instead of waiting for minutes, you can force stop the generation and start with a new prompt right away. Humans can instruct AIs to perform tasks. The process of instructing an AI to do a task is called prompting. In ChatGPT, we write our prompts to the chat section and send it. Then AI responds with an output serving to your desired input. ChatGPT can be used for gathering information by asking it questions and receiving detailed and accurate responses. Let's give examples to this with prompts. What is the capital of Morocco? Find the derivative of the given function and explain it step by step. One of the great ways of using ChatGPT is organizing your notes and creating mind maps by generating outlines and connections between different pieces of information. Help me organize these notes and create an outline for a piece of article I'm working on. ChatGPT can be used to generate written content, such as articles or scripts for videos, sound like they were written by a human. Its natural language generation capabilities allow it to mimic human writing styles. For this job, you can use the prompt, write a 500 words essay about feminism in an academic style. Okay, let's deconstruct this prompt and make it a template so you can also use it. For the length parameter, you can specify how many words or sentences of writing you want to have. If you prefer to create a YouTube Shorts or TikTok video instead of long-form video, you can ask ChatGPT to write a script with 150 words. Here, writing formats can be anything from a YouTube video script to a poem or a blog post. Instead of keeping it boring and monotone, we can adjust tone of writing. Try these. Write me a YouTube video script about Fleetwood Mac. Write it in a chatty, playful style and add sarcastic humor. Or, write me a blog post about Steve Jobs in the style of Ricky Gervais. What other tools do we have in our toolbox? ChatGPT can assist you in editing your essay by providing paraphrasing or rephrasing, grammar correction, and translation services. Let's deep dive into Rephrase. Now, I will copy-paste this Wikipedia article. I will express same ideas from article with a different tone and different words by using Rephrase prompt. I know universities have advanced plagiarism checkers, so I think it's important to maintain certain ethical standards. Now, I will show you a great summarizer prompt for internet articles or Wikipedia pages. TLDR, meaning too long, didn't read, and then just copy-paste the article here. Now we will summarize the Wikipedia page about American Civil War. Another great way ChatGPT can help us is teachers' all-time favorite assignment around the world, summarize a book. You can use this prompt for some help. Summarize All Quiet on the Western Front book and write an essay about main idea of the book. Now we will deep dive into grammar correction for written passages. I'm gonna butcher this sentence to show you how it works. Improve my writing with advanced English. I'm going to cinema today. Wanna come with I? Write this passage in the style of a Nobel Prize winner in literature. Okay, now translate it to Hindi language. What if we have more precise creative direction we want to take, or strong arguments we want to emphasize? You are a writer, an expert in career planning, and how to help people with right career choice. Your task is to give the best advice when it comes to choosing a right career based on people's skills and interests. Write an informational passage about how to choose a fulfilling career based on what makes us curious. Take inspiration from following research. Now, I will list here some of the research that I put together before. And here, I will attach some seed words that I want to be included in the article. You may want to explore a topic from multiple perspectives and write about them. Let's think this passage with counter-arguments. Let's think this passage in a bigger context. Additional to these, here few more example prompts for you to develop your essay with valuable insights. If you provide ChatGPT with some written material, it can start mimicking your writing style and write new materials in a similar style, helping you to maintain consistency across your written work. Analyze the text below for style, voice, and tone. Using natural language processing, create a YouTube script about sci-fi movies in 80s in the same style, voice, and tone above. Sometimes, instead of starting from scratch on a particular topic, you may have things to say based on your knowledge or worldview. For this job, you can use a prompt including introduction, body, and conclusion with your statements. ChatGPT can assist you about your roadmap for research. Try using this prompt for having a list of subtopics on a broader subject. Once you have a list of topics, you can use these individual topics as prompts to extend your research and write a very detailed essay or paper.